Huawei just revealed the Huawei Pura X Max, but right now we have the hands-on look of the Pura X Max and it looks amazing. Yes, from a user on Weibo, he actually shared a couple of images. I've got one special image that you haven't seen right now is here, the cover display of the Huawei Pura X Max and how it is different compared to the Apple and Samsung phones that will come after that, although Huawei just won it with the Pura X Max. But yeah, this is the actual image, white color option with the Pura X Max, and it looks absolutely nuts. From the sides, it's just got flat sides, which is really amazing and my personal favorite. But on the back of the phone, we got two flashlights and the cameras. Yes, Huawei is giving us three cameras on the back. One is a telephoto sensor, one is the ultra wide, and one is the main camera sensor. But both Samsung and Apple both are going with the dual camera setup on their phones, where Samsung is going with the 200 megapixel main sensor and 50 megapixel ultra wide. But the iPhone Fold cameras are not clear, although there's another image we got from another source, Huawei Pura X Max, and it is wide. It actually looks like the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide or even the Apple foldable phone that has leaked so far. This means this is how the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide or even the Apple foldable phone will gonna look like. The user also shared the image of the inner display of Huawei Pura X Max, and I feels like this phone looks more like a tablet than a phone, and it also gives a vibe of the first generation Pixel Fold. If someone who actually used the Pixel Fold, it just kind of look like it with the smaller bezel. So I kind of feels like it is more or less Huawei just won the battle for launching this phone before Samsung and Apple. The Samsung expected phone will come in July and iPhone in September, and we also got first look at the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide. There are a few things that we need to discuss about the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide, because it is actually getting better, because we're getting a landscape inner display which is better for our multimedia usage, and I think this is by far one of the biggest change in the foldable market just before the launch of the iPhone Fold, and I think this is the direct competitor with the iPhone Fold. And we got the pictures from OnLeaks and Android headlines, and we got the video of it, and there are a few things that we need to discuss. Honestly speaking, when I saw the video, I just immediately think of the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold. It gives us a slight look at the Galaxy Z Tri-Fold, but it's wider and it only have two halves. But on the back of the phone, it's not an ultra phone. Yes, it is less than what we are getting on the Galaxy Z Fold 8. So it means Samsung may named it differently, Z Fold 8 Ultra and Z Fold 8. So this probably will be Z Fold 8, and the Z Fold 8 Ultra will be the normal Galaxy Z Fold 8, because we only got two cameras on the back. One is the 200 megapixel main sensor and the other one is the 50 megapixel ultra wide sensor. There's no 3x telephoto sensor on the Galaxy Z Fold 8 wide, because we are already getting a really good crop with the 200 megapixel sensor. Samsung already tried this out with the Galaxy S25 Edge, and I think this is one of a good decision, not giving us 3x telephoto sensor, but they can add 5x telephoto sensor, which is really good. Even if they are not adding in this phone, they can add it in the Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra. On this note, if you're still here, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.